Welcome to Naija Watch channel. We are here to entertain you with a series of videos. Naija Watch always promote videos from our presenters both home in Nigeria and all over the world. We do our best to be up to date with breaking news, gist and gossip from your favorite presenters. Naija Watch will always ensure to bring entertainment to your doorstep and to your household. We also encourage those who want their voices to be heard both in Nigeria and all over the world to come be a member of the ever-accommodating Naija Watch family.
Do you love to be updated about what's going on around you? Your roots, both home and abroad? Do you want to be updated about situation reports, speeches, and comments from your favorite presenters? Then look no further, because Naija Watch channel is your #1 channel. Do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos to your friends and your families. And also turn on your notification button so you can be updated and notified whenever we upload our latest videos.
But thank you for being a member of the Naija Watch family. We are always accommodating, and do not forget to share and like our videos. Bye-bye and God bless you.
Good morning, viewers. This is Naija Watch TV. This program that Naija Watch is called Ewanta Tamegbe. Currently this morning I'm at Upper Sakomba after 3 hours, where I'm approaching Iyusa area close to Red Oil. This is now Upper Sakomba after 3 hours. You can see the bad condition of the road. Meanwhile, Naija Watch near Waka go front. See at the old place. Let me show. Good morning, sir. You work here? Well done, sir. Good to go answer now. Just look at the way they are looking at people. Well, let me take it down a little. May I confirm waiting that they tell us. Meanwhile, this is called Uyosa. I don't know the reason why they call it Uyosa, but that major Upper Sakombaro from Ring Road for Sakombaro now reach this level. As you can see, motorists are struggling to make sure say they pass. Anyway, I'll get choice. I follow now for the pass inside the water. Anyway, me I stand for this. There's a filling station here called Rain Oil. At the front of the day for Upper Sakomba. I want to take here, take some shots, whether I see some motorists and individuals where will pass through. This rainfall about 24 hours ago, and the condition remain like this. As I thought also for Naija Watch, this one and Naija Watch, this one and Upper Sakomba, Uyosa after 3 hours. Nowadays, so I say me I can't come in Naija Watch, can't confirm this information where they give us. Most say not true. That water there on the inside that one pass by the fence. You can see motorists. Yeah, we whether I see some individual ask, like those one where be approached just now. They not one talk. But meanwhile, the video, as you see that woman the struggle, so the video they speak for itself. Some of the surface of the people, we are using this medium as they say now the bad side of the government that they talk about, but that is the truth. We must, this one I saw, we must draw attention of government to this issue. Good morning, madam. I will ask you a question that you feel attend to me. You say they stay for this area. Now this area, I see you they struggle to pass this water just now. This water. Wetin be some of the challenges for this area when they pass through? Once rain fall, As you waka pass here so, wetin be the wahala wey una dey pass through if rain fall for ground like this? Okay, how long this road be like this so?
Almost
e don tey. So no government don come here come do anything about am. Okay, so if e rain now well because this rain now na about a day old now. Yesterday night this rain dey here. If e like that time wey dey rain and e worse, wetin how una fit dey pass?
We no dey pass here o. Oh, don koyoku, we no dey pass here.
No dey pass here at all. This side of Sakomba road, wetin dey call am madam?
This side. Uyosa.
Uyosa. Because this na Naija watch, na una children wey dey abroad. Na we call the wey dey tell them e different from wetin dey ground. They say everywhere like this road now, dem fit go paint am go fine. Gutter go dey, street light go dey, dem go show them. But there are people go come dey show them say water enter house o. They come be like say dey play them. Na they take sit down together. Open this station they call Naija Watch. Na YouTube dem dey watch am. Make dem dey know how e dey be. Na because may dem still dey ask people wey dey select for power like governor or other people like senator, house of representative. They ask them question why this place be like this. So now because they come this grassroots to come they ask question wetin people dey go through. So if others dey wey I no know, if you still tell me so now na pikin because your people wey una elect na no fit talk to them, I no even know them. Now dem fit dey talk to them because before dem come here come say dem wan rule una, dem fit go meet Edo Union for that side tell them wetin dem wan do. So on this ground dem fit carry this video dem go see show them why this place for Benin like Uyosa still be like this. Na because they not be saying na any other thing. Nedoya ama a program na tie e wanta atamigbe so that a so revel na not pa 30 years they never come Benin no my area do and they been atamia na the other tamia or lugan in Naruto so here onia and most of them okpo wa yakin e wa na obo na yobokpa big yobokpa so yeah e influence to na ya town the other way na ma beg where you uta we marry oje wo na Nigeria na so that na do well. So those are some of the reasons you know na so you know we eta ya ko ma yeah so e no madam beba o koyo okay ya get me am dela okay no wahala ya get dia mikela odo. As you can see, well, I not get choice. Now you use for Sakomba. We know your filling station now dey right now. Now here now one pass. When vehicle pass like this, it will push water to the filling station. You see on the other side, people don't try to stop water from coming in, but all those exercise seems to be exercise in futility. As you see my own leg now, see our water. So we are drawing attention of the Edo State government, not only the Federal Ministry of Environment and all the related ministry that is saddled with this responsibility to rise up to this very issue. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sir, I want to interview you small. Hello? You there for this area? I want to interview you small because I Sam so I made them say this good. We dey hear the challenges where they happen for this area and now because people just complain on it to us. We don't want act the way they tell us. We want say na so it be and now because come this area of Upper Sakomba now to come verify true we see all those places like this say this Uyosa e rain fall na so they be and this rain na yesterday don fall and the condition is be like this. May you tell us because this program they call am this TV wey dey watch o na be Naija Watch na YouTube program na Edo people wey dey abroad na wan know as everywhere be for Benin so that they fit dey tell government say why here be like this, why here be like this, because then so many don tire they wan come home so and they get influence here well so you no fit talk to your governor now, your local government chairman, even your councillor wey suppose to go meet for house say you no fit talk to them, but those one get ability to talk to them. And this TV program, Naija Watch TV, this program where they talk to the caller and want to make way. So my brother may tell me some of the challenges wey locals na pidgin English program wey people wey dey this area the gbege wey dey face whenever rain fall and other challenges wey na dey face sir. Your name sir?
My name is Efosa Ozigbo.
Domo sir.
Iyan Baba.
Yes sir.
So the challenge wey we dey face for here if rain fall now.
Yes.
We no go fit pass this quickly because of where federal government dig.
Abeg you raise your voice more sir.
Where the federal government dig borrow pit. They don't block and the community don't sell them. And after that one, no electricity, no light.
So no light, not this side. Light, not this side.
3 months now, be 4 months. No light for this area.
For 4 months.
4 months now. They don't sell and give Chinese company. Now Chinese company can't use our light. We know they now so fuel and generator with the
Chinese company near na here.
Ogwa here.
Ogwa. Okay, Ogwa community.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
now then they buy the now then BGC they give light now. No they give now light again.
They give us light again. Now every day they come they collect money. They cut light every day.
So now they pay. You say when I pay for light, now they pay for darkness.
Darkness.
And what you know they do about that kind of matter?
How we want to? If they want to come cheat us now, they will pass soldier with police. Who talk to them, they go send me soldier.
No wait, till today they bring soldier and police come here. Come collect money for light.
Come collect money for light. That's what you see how.
So Oga, that borrow pit we say they do. You far from here?
See how now, not far. Where they wash motor so.
Okay, now the back is there.
See how. They make this rain come they stay for it. Now where they block.
So community don't sell them.
They don't sell them, they don't block them.
Okay, sir.
The road is going to be like this.
What is the name of this particular side of Upper?
Upper, here now, Upper Sakonga.
You get one day that they call and wait that they tell us, say, okay, Yosa.
Oh, Yosa.
Okay.
After 3 years.
After 3 years. Thank you, sir.
Thank God.
God bless you, sir.
Yes.
Meanwhile, may I carry and read there, say, seeing is believing. Thank you, sir. You can see from here, you will see, say, all those on a barrier to ensure, say, water don't enter, but you see, say, water, they only got the chopper. Meanwhile, may I go, may Naija Watch carry the waka go the other side of the road to go see that pit where they channel this water to, where they say community sell. And if community sell, does that mean say government not know the right thing to do, to put them in check, to verify every project that they do for their every area, to see say the dream of that project stay alive? Now part of this thing cause me know say various ministry get where they call monitoring committee where they verify all those things. Can see now vehicle be this now you see say water they even they bury some of them. You see the other side there. So meanwhile now the same Upper Sakonba nowadays so you see what our people are going through. This one they cause hold up. This hold up now long reach the other side, as you can see. And I say Upper Sakonba user. Now I did for Upper Sakonba. Based on the information that man give to me, I want to go verify where that borrow pit dey or where they channel the water to. My young man, how far? They reside here. Okay. Well, everybody get as it be. Maybe I look for that borrow pit and see you can guide me. I see join the whole wahala wey dey here. All those open ranching. As you can see here now. But work there. If I dey ask, everybody is 40. Governance or wahala. The people themselves have refused to know themselves. I refuse to know themselves. Say you, sir. I think from nature of what I see now, you see sand or wash enter the road. This can continue as it is now for about 1 week before maybe water will come dry. Whenever see any motorists ask question, as most of them are so much in a hurry. Meanwhile, I want to cross to the other side where that guy tell me say this thing be. Me I find my way na Naija Watch through. I carry this train come pass Agboba. So me I look for who I go ask questions that will respond to me. Meanwhile, let me see how it go now. At Naija train, they carry the water, they go. As you can see how it be. Everywhere they find alternative route. As I did, I seen Yosa nowadays, so yeah, get local government chairman before. He get head of service for local government now as I speak. He get president representative for House of Representative. He get president representative for House of Senate for Abuja. We get traditional ruler wey dey represent these areas. We get opinion leaders for this area too. All kind of leadership dey this area, youth and all. But no one fit change their complaint. As that guy talk to me, even to find solution, some of them dey combine their own problem, because when project is starting in your area, na your responsibility to also protect am too. But Benin na, you see say everybody get every domain wey dey control, and when they hold am, nobody fit talk. But this one, with all those organs, no one fit pass government. Because government, they say be afraid, dem be fear the 3Gs. Those 3Gs na God, government and gun. And those three things na get power. And even though when you carry wood, the government carry stick, you carry the most sophisticated weapon, na government na go surpass you. Meanwhile, me I waka around, me I see what I go ask question, wey go show me where that channel dey. Well, I just want all people off this camera just na pause am. Well, this na part of the place wey me I sure say the channel the water to. As I dey talk to you now, they say na moat here be o. They even talk to me reluctantly. So I just feel say na one of the place. And you know where the carry the water go, na to open all this place too, because children fit even come play come here, no know say danger dey ahead of this kind of place. So that at this moment there, they channel the water enter. But apart from that guy that gave me such information, I try to reach other people wey dey from this town. They tell me say me I not carry camera near them. I only waka pass am, go ask them question, and they not just answer me. And these are some of the problems we are facing. Our people sabi cry for problem, but we can't ask them question, they not dey like to answer. But meanwhile, e get other place where I want go like St. Saviour and all, to go see how they happen for there, because complete full everywhere for Benin, because road not dey Benin. Meanwhile, I don't finish my journey for Uyosa. Me I carry Naija train go St. Saviour, part of St. Saviour. Get market where I notice here. Me I go cover the market. Me I dey go na that area. Me I want go now before this sun beat me well, because the waka not be small. You must waka to see wetin they tell you. So you can see na the other side of Uyosa I dey. Actually wanted to know where that the channel the water go. Maybe now some of them will don't be that, so they don't want to respond. They say me I not carry camera near them, but at this area that guy they talk so in this area you see where they wash car, so now part of the place they don't block am, they just sell am. See Uyosa nowadays, so as you can see, this is Benin City, Ikpoba local government area of Edo State, where the headquarter be Idogbo. If we take this one go down where I face now, where the vehicle the corner, now Idogbo director they take the administrative headquarter of Ikpoba local government. Now here they pass go the local government headquarter. As you can see, I don't feel read this signboard now. I've already the signboard. May I know the name of the street. As you can see, even all those places have been taken over by flood. You see how the place soft. There are no problem. Everybody, this one don't hook here. Now I don't show this one so because of the sand, you can see that people they struggle to move. Now no, not to put like block or plank for front there. No fit move. See how they roll. See on this side. This side, see how. So now some of the challenges with this. See how. You see how now be this so now erosion, so everybody will suffer that. And you can see this is almost the cause gully here already. As that rain they come, they cut this part of the road. We need attention of the state government, Federal Ministry of Infrastructure, Federal Ministry of Works, Federal Ministry of Environment to join hands with the Edo State government to make sure say this erosion water then stop her do a permanent solution. Like I said, to control water for Benin, it's not really hard. Now to get the will and the political will to do it, now be the thing. Because most of the project they do for Edo State, now drilling pipe. Now ever end this project, it not go ever end because it's designed not to end. So that more it will be chop money. You see one the adjoining street be this. You see this street now, it already died by Kingdom Energy filling station. And you can see some of the challenges like this vehicle that is with me here. You can see part of it now be this because erosion don't wash what sand come all those areas and they make things difficult for people. I imagine rain just for how this situation will be immediately. So now you say Uyo sir. Now Naija watch there, so I want to bring that to now the situation of Benin, not only the people, the good people of Nigeria or the world citizen, but to the authority of the state. They see and say, it be of a truth. The local government will near the people, will also tell the people it be, will be the grassroots movement. Now they do their work. Now governor will come there one place where you go need information to work. Now you go figure until you figure out the right information. The governor possibly nothing knows say this kind of get this or pass back. But now my duty and every citizen duty to bring such information to the domain of leadership so that they go know say this kind of problem they exist, so that they go find solution on how to make sure say they solve this problem once and for all. So those of now who feel say na criticism, me I feel say anybody will get sense to go constructive criticism tight. It was when they criticize it constructively. Now they show you light for the area where you not the see, where they see where. But if now see also gets and I know say sing presence, now I don't make government praise singers, now I don't make various government who even get mind to work for the people. Now they don't make them pay. But they'll say everything is well. Even at that said government gives some people work, they'll go chop money, they'll not do. They'll go do project where they already do for one place, go snap picture. Go use and collect money, and some of them will like money, will poor for mind well because we too poor, so say now only money now we know. So see be part of that. They forget say their generation come pass through that pains where they cost people. Meanwhile, me I face 3 house. They go. There are some palliative measures carried out by some individual to make sure say this matter is solved. As we do now to bring government attention and to the people, make smile enter their face so that this problem will stop solve of this erosion. Good morning, sir. Our family, sir. How is work, sir? I beg the waka around this areas we hear this report of this bad road. So now waka come as the erosion area now just like a leguma on this area. But I know say I need to waka pass am. Although this station where they talk to is they call am Naija Watch. Now your pikin, our own brothers wey dey abroad, any Edo people, now then join hand get this station. They call am Naija Watch. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Now then join hand carry this station, make they know wetin dey happen. Well, not be the only the sensor can't tell us. They will know the true picture. So that make us they enter communities anywhere they proceed IEB so that they feel carry out to the authority fit ask authority question as you be na no fit ask your councillor question but people for there you no even know yourself but people from there get ability to say why this project be like this why yes e be like this una say this road don good wetin una show different from wetin we dey see so then go fit ask that question on behalf of the people because some don tire for where dem dey they want the best for their house and they wan come home so na make us dey here but this the tv wey dem call naija tv e get this program wey dey watch na dey call am emata atamegbe because na program not to one government no be partisan issue na truth how matter be na 1 year no be party o no be any no to which one but na how to carry at ten tion of government to various area as we be for this area now wey I dey for Upper Sakomba for rain oil Uyosa so na make me come if I tell you where I from come here this morning na e far well so oga you tell us your name and some of the things wey you dey pass through for this area.
My name na Gowon Edebia.
Okay sir.
I'm from Canada here.
Okay sir.
This thing.
Abeg this noise the other you fit reduce am sir.
For about 5 years ago, let me say 5 years now, before now.
Yes sir.
This place not be like this.
Okay.
If you go from small now, you see where that place now where water dey enter before.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Somebody just come fill am. That's why this water now, you know, they don't still where they go again.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes sir.
So they don't talk to the local government chairman, even the government people don't write nothing. Nobody fit.
Until now. Those place wey tipper dey black car wash there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those car wash there so. Now those places now where water they enter before.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
They call your fill. If you see now, you know say if people when they do road, they want do road, they will find the way the road
slope. You carry water pass.
They will go there, they will dig there. You know understand?
Yes sir.
They will pay for that place.
Okay.
For that place they don't pay pool before. If they go the planning now, they will see and say they don't pay pool.
Okay.
But somebody just come, you just
fulfill
you give poor people there.
I mean sure say without community person no just fit enter like that.
No, now government not be community, now government. That okay, people when put.
Yes.
And na community, I sure say na community sell am for.
Okay. So now these challenges now like yes this way now I hear say na yesterday this rain fall.
Yes.
And as yesterday the condition of the road is as bad as this. I wan just imagine within my head say how e go be when this rain just dey fall heavily.
If rain fall,
yes.
They enter my store, they enter this.
All those places.
They fill up.
Okay
Yes,
sir. Okay sir.
Na so we see am.
This program that Naija Watch na YouTube na dey watch am.
Okay.
If you enter Naija Watch you see am for YouTube. Na enlightenment program. We will continue to hear our voice, continue to dey come this area, also carry this thing. Can I go the authority because not only would they record down, would they write letter to the effect of this to the relevant authority.
You see now,
yes.
You see the problem when they here now.
Yes sir.
The similar thing will still happen for front. If you go front now, you see where they feed for them.
Oh, for one compound there,
yeah,
yes. Okay,
yes. Now, this thing before they see carry sand there. You understand?
Yes.
You don't feel now, nobody talk. Yeah.
Okay.
Very soon now, the thing will happen like this again.
I go go there now. Okay, me I go see am. Oga get to tell me to.
Thank you very much.
Yes sir.
I appreciate your effort for coming to this area to make sure this news. I hope this news will go viral.
Yes.
Thank you very much because I'm part and parcel of the residential in this environment.
Okay sir.
You see what we are suffering in this area. As you can see, here was it like this before.
Yes.
That's from Genesis.
Yes.
But when all those filling stations, landlords came to build, they now feed the compound where the water normally penetrates.
Yes.
They feed their compound, fill everywhere. Then the water started penetrating to the road. When anytime there is rainfall, we all will be afraid of our properties.
Yes.
You understand? If you can look at this upstairs now.
Yes.
If take a look of it, it's going down.
Yes,
already
going down.
because of erosion.
Yes.
Look at all those houses in this area. The whole of them are going down because of erosion. So with this government intervention to come to our aid to please help us tackle the issue of this very place because if we leave this place in not the next 2-3 years we cannot this road will not be usable for any road users.
Yes.
So we are now appealing to government to come to our aid to make sure this place you put in order, if you put in place. You understand? So that every other person will benefit. Apart from we living in this environment. So that every other person will benefit. You understand? Because the way the road is now, at least any vehicle that is carrying through this water every blessed day.
Yes.
Now you develop what?
Yes.
Before you go to mechanic every day, parcel here and that. Since I took company in Nigeria, according to the situation of the country, everything is very cost. To buy tire, we cannot buy tire. To buy beer, we cannot buy beer because of the situation of the country. So we need government to come to our aid, to rescue us, to help us to tackle such issues like this, to make sure everything is put in place. Thank you very much. That's my little contribution.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Now I can go the other side just
No
now.
problem, sir.
Where they see block. As you can see, that area where they talk about, now near where they push that car just now, where they tell those people say, may they go put stone for there, near that mode there, that place, now be that garage, where they wash car, where they Sanfi, but as you can see, they say they don't buy, those government already pay for such property to move water to those places. But meanwhile, some powerful individuals carry and sell them. I always say Edo State government, the Ministry of Environment, federal and state, I always say they take note of those things where people complain about. Say some strong individual, wey strong pass government, don't buy that place. They say na community na sell am for them. Sanfila carry water go road again. Those are some of the things wey we dey say of society. When we dey complain say government is bad, how do we as citizens play our part? Are we frustrating government efforts, or are we looking at government property saying na nobody's property? But I will like advise you now, say government property is our collective property. It's our right to protect government property, because if you not protect am, na yourself na you dey do. You will be like that man they call Esau for that Holy Christian book, where he sell his freedom, his birthright, because of just pottage. Now so, like this matter be. But meanwhile, there's another side where they say see Sanfi, where the wahala never gbege so, where they don dey push, and one kind Naija watch go there. Now see Iyosa for Upper Sakwamba for Ikobawaka administrative headquarter of Ikobawaka local government. Now in here he called from there to Ijogbo, Ijogbo in only 5 minutes. So I don almost close to that other place. Now be all those places where they see sand for across the road. So now a new erosion side in making, and you can see say there is Sanfi all those places, and they say all those areas now where erosion they pass. And if you see like this place now, may I go around to see. This is one of the place now. Here be like street, but now this area is described to me where the Sanfi. As you can see, you will know what I talk about. Now of that same Upper Sakwamba, the major road, now they pass through. So my brother, how far now? So you can see now, you see say vehicle now they pass this kind of place, and the place is not more trouble. My guy, you say that day. I bet can't give me small some of the preamble waiting they happen here. How this road be rainfall, how it be? Okay, no wahala. As you can see, that's some of the area that we are talking about. So you see now me and Zuma, I dey see motor tire here. It be like saying a road be this before, but me no say in a road be this, it will become tinier as times goes on. Now off Upper Sakwamba, now be this too. You see all those players talk say the Sanfi where they complain about, where say nobody talk about. Now be this. Meanwhile, let me go down. Oh God, if I go down, see here. So there's a Redeemed Church close to the place, so I can see, but nobody is willing to talk to me. So you can see, say vehicle the money they pass here, but everybody is feeling it. But they say now here, now this water, they follow, they pass, but I never feel confirmed. But now the locals, now they complain this one, say nobody don't talk about such problem now. As if they go, where may I manage this place come out. This road now they see now Upper Sakwamba road now be this. I want to know you what. So those are another gully side, as you can see, where then they talk about. So now if it is, I will see that people have to fill up this area to reason best know to them, but nobody is talking as they have said. Yeah, it look like moat. You see and say true now moat. Now then Sanfi here, as you can see all those places now. Go there, you can see how it be. You don't need to tell say na moat there's Sanfi for here. So now see the Upper Sakomba Uyosa. So those places are with Sanfi. They do Sanfi all of them. As you can see now, Upper Sakomba you they look so. This on the other second side where it also if care is not taken by Ministry of Environment or by state government, they not come this place, it will cause another one we did front for you, sir. We may have cross pass just now. Now yeah, me, Una Pikin, where they represent Naija Watch for Edo State here for Benin City. Now yeah, me I want to end this story, but meanwhile, before I end down on top of the sun, let me clear so. As you can see like this, now the place where they cover with this. So these are the popular Upper Sakomba road. I want to come down. Maybe you see the whole place where that side where they see. So now the popular Iyosa, as you can see, there's another complex, another gully. You soon break out here because of this feeling of this moat where it is this place. Now here me and I begin this matter. My name is Leptis Amosa in Nomaya. I will continue to Naija Watch. They bring the best out of everything they happen to us. But we promise every good people of Edo State now the truth, but nothing but the truth. Now Naija Watch will be given now. Those of now they watch this program are going to watch out for YouTube. Now there me I end this movement today for Upper Sakomba Uyosa.
Yeah, that's what it be with us. That's what it end. We're gonna watch out. We're gonna share out. We're gonna tell who never hear. We're gonna forget to share our videos all the time, but I always remind you now. Subscribe to this channel, your Opuka channel. You know say in our channel. You know say you can't get it elsewhere. Naija Watch.